guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fun one. I'm showing you how I'm decluttering and organizing my apartment pantry. This one back here, apartments are notoriously known for having really tiny pantries, so organizing and everything is a struggle, and I feel like things get so decluttered because I don't have enough space. So I wanted to share with you how I am organizing my pantry. That way, if you guys live in an apartment or you have a house that has a really tiny pantry as well and you don't have any storage, like little tips and tricks to help you guys out. Of course, everything that I'm going to use is in the description down below with links, so you can go and purchase that, and hopefully that helps with you guys. Everything was super affordable too, which was like my goal is to always get like things that are affordable. I don't like spending a ton of money on things that I know that I can get cheaper. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Janella Rose. I post all different types of videos, from beauty to lifestyle to planning. So if you guys like any of those topics, then there's definitely room for you here. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you to all of, I'm like winded right now. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed so far. I got a ton of new subscribers in the last month, which was really exciting for me because I feel like I only get like 1 or 2 subscribers like every month or something. But yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I definitely appreciate it. And yeah, so if you want to see how I organized my pantry, then keep on watching. It's pretty small. It goes all the way up like this and all the way down. I do have to say that even though this pantry is small, like width-wise, they did do a really great job of maximizing the length of it. So the first thing I got was this acrylic tea box set off Amazon. And since I have so many different types of teas, I thought it was better to just get rid of those boxes, taking all the space on that shelf, and just put it in this cute acrylic organizer. That way I can see all of the teas that I have and just easily pick them out. And also that way I'll know like what teas I do have, and I'll probably be more inclined to use them, you know, thinking ahead. The next thing I got was this clear acrylic organizer from Target. It's modular, so if you want to stack things, you definitely can. Then I wanted a lot of baskets to put the items in, and I don't really care about having like clear or acrylic organizers for everything. But Target did have these gray like basket texture storage containers. They were super affordable. I cannot believe the price, because you know Target's normally like the bougie store. You'll probably find something for the same price at Walmart. In case anything spills out, I can just wipe it out with like a Clorox wipe. So I got 2 of these sizes. I got 3 of this rectangle size. I got 1 basket this size, and then I got 4 baskets that are this size. They're pretty big, so they can fit a lot of things in them. So the last thing that I got is this Rubbermaid Brilliance organization set. They have this at Target as well, but I got it for a cheaper price on Amazon. So here are the storage containers. They're all nice and washed, so I'm just gonna let them dry. I used extremely hot water and antibacterial soap just to get them all nice and clean. I didn't want to use them without washing them very thoroughly, but I didn't have enough time to put them in the dishwasher, so I'm just washing them by hand. Alright, so now I want to disinfect the other items that I got, especially because they're just open, they're not sealed or anything like that from Target. So I want to make sure they're nice and clean before I go ahead and put my food in them. Okay guys, holy crap. Sorry, this might be a little shaky. I don't have a tripod, but holy crap. Look at this pantry. Oh my god, it looks so good, you guys. it's so empty. So I realized I think I want some more of these little tiny ones. They're such a good size. So they had a ton of them at Target. I might go back and get some more depending on what I have. But these take up a lot of space, and I didn't really realize I couldn't fit two. It's mainly because of this little part right here. Like if I take this out, you'll see like it's really tight. But also look at my kitchen. It is a mess, you guys. Total mess. I already started throwing some stuff away. So now I just need to go through everything else. Alright, so here is the tea, and it all fits in here. I have a little hack. Just turn them every, like upside down, every other tea bag, and you can fit more inside the container. Alright, the popcorn fits perfectly in this little container. So I'm going to take this popcorn box out and just stick them all right in there. They also fit in here too, but they're a little loose, so let's see. Alright, so here is the finished pantry. As you can see, it looks so much better now. It's all nice and clean, all nice and neat. I threw out a lot of old stuff and old boxes that we just didn't need anymore. So I kept the same similar format. Up top we have our pasta, our cereal, and like breakfast stuff. I do want to get some more of these clear organizers. They look so great. And it just keeps everything all nice and neat, so that's why I still have a container of oatmeal and some pasta, so I'll get some more and then we should be good to go up there. This section's all good to go. I have the popcorn and some seeds as well as little baked goods and the candy snacks right here. Here, I love this shelf. I want to get another one of these tea organizers. I think it's so cute and just like easy to grab all of my tea, and then I have my hot cocoa back there. Some grits, some pancake mix, and then we have our like coffee and just little snacky bits right here. On this side, we have the canned goods, just a little bit of canned goods, some random items back there, so like the pasta sauce, and the ranch dressing, and then on this side I have all of the chips and little snacks and crackers. Then on the bottom I have the protein powder and then leftover flour and stuff like that. And then back there I have another box of cereal that wouldn't fit up top, and then I have some leftover pasta, so like rice and spring roll wrappers and just like random things that would go up there but doesn't look that great, so I put them down there. And on the bottom I have all of our bags in that box right here, and then I have the napkins and the Swiffer like little pads, as well as the leftover LaCroix, a soda, and a Swiffer solution on the bottom. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I really like how it turned out. I really enjoy having a nice and organized pantry. It makes getting things out, cooking so much easier now, and it just looks so aesthetically pleasing, so that's a plus. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, definitely do so and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys back here in a couple of days with a brand new video. Bye!